I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest salad dressing, which is so simple to make, but will turn the most boring salad into something really delicious. It's Gemma. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. If it's your first time here and you're looking for easy, simple to make vegetarian recipes, then consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future recipes. I'm going to show you how to make a honey and mustard salad dressing today. This is so easy to make. You need just 4 ingredients and that's it. A little bit of salt and pepper as well, and it just tastes so much nicer than shop bought as well. So once you do make your own homemade one, you'll never buy shop bought again, trust me. And it's free from all those nasty additives and preservatives as well. So here is what you need. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice and the zest of a lemon if you're using an unwaxed lemon, 1 tablespoon of runny honey and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Heat the olive oil in a pan over quite a low heat, and then add the mustard, the lemon juice and zest, the runny honey and some salt and pepper to taste. Then start stirring it all together so it all starts to combine. This will take a few minutes, so you just got to be patient and keep stirring. And that's how easy it is to make. So if you're looking for a salad recipe to try the dressing on, I've got a video here and that dressing goes lovely with that salad, and it's my absolute favourite as well. So click on that video now to go and find the recipe.